Let's dive into division. 120 divided by 2. Hey super math stars. Sparkles, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome math adventures on Let's Stud. Alright, let's start dividing 120 by 2. First, we look at the first digit of 120, which is 1. We don't have any digits to bring down yet, so we'll work with this one. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It fits 0 times. Let's check. 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. Now we subtract 0 from 1, which leaves us with 1. Great job, we're on our way. We'll bring down the next digit 2 to make 12. Now we have 12. Let's see how many times 2 fits into 12. We use the remainder 1 and the next digit 2 to make 12. 2 fits into 12 exactly 6 times. Let's check. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. Subtract 12 from 12 and we get 0. Perfect. You're doing amazing, almost there. We bring down the last digit 0 to make 0. Our last digit is 0. Let's divide this 0 by 2. We use the remainder 0 and the last digit 0 to make 0. How many times does 2 fit into 0? It fits 0 times. Let's check. 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. Subtract 0 from 0 and we get 0. We're all done. Woohoo, you solved it. High five, raised hand. We've divided 120 by 2. The answer is 60. So 120 divided by 2 equals 60. We just crushed long division, turning 120 into 60 by dividing by 2. You're all math whizzes. Keep practicing and you'll be division pros in no time. Great job, everyone. See you next time for more math fun on Let's Stud. Keep shining, glowing star.